Welcome to my YouTube channel, and today I am going to be showing you something that will blow your mind, especially if you are an Android user. So, lately there has been this desire for people to download WhatsApp status, or sometimes you view some funny things, or you see some things on someone's status and you just want the person to share it with you, and you started asking, please share me your status. And some probably maybe they reshare it, or they can't just send it to you, or probably they are too busy to respond to your message quickly. So today I'm going to be showing you how you can download a WhatsApp status without even asking the person to send it to you. All you just need to do is to view it, and automatically you have access to the video or to the photo. Now, one thing I want you to understand firstly is that the way WhatsApp work is that every status you view is being saved as a cache. That's CACHE now, as a cache on your phone, because your phone is an Android. And that is why when you view someone's status once, you don't need to on your data again to gain access to it. Do you notice that once you view someone's status, and let's say okay, you don't have data again, all you just need, if you still go back to that person's status, you will still view it. That is because it has been saved on your phone. And now, how can you access every of these status that you have viewed? Now let me show you how you can access it, especially if you are an Android user. So the first thing you will do is you will go to your file manager. You go to your file manager. The next thing you will do is you go to my phone. That is where you can access all your folder and your internal storage. So you go to internal storage. And now let me show you something quickly. Just for some of you, if you see now, these are everything that you can access on your phone, but there is more that you can access on your phone than all that your phone will show you. So the first thing that you have to do is that you must go to your settings. Now, these three dots at the top right corner, you click there, you will access your settings. Do you see that? You click on setting, then show hidden files. You activate it, show hidden files. Now once you have done that, now you see that there are some files that are showing. Every of the file that you see that start with a dot, a full stop, they are all hidden files. They are all hidden files. That is, they are on your phone. They are occupying a space on your phone, but you can't see them. Not even in your gallery, not even in your gallery, or let's say you have a Google Photo where you can access it. You can't access them. The only way you can access them is that once you show the hidden file. Now, how can you access the WhatsApp status that you have viewed? Now, the next thing you do is you come to Android. You see Android here? You click on Android. You see data, you see media, you see OBB. Since it's a media, it's a photo or a video, so that means it is media. So you click on media. Now you will see different com.facebook, com.this, com.that. What you will look for are now, if you are using WhatsApp Business like me, it will show on this W4B. But in some cases, if you are using a normal WhatsApp, it will show under this. It will show, sorry. It will show under this WhatsApp, that is com.whatsapp. But now I'm using WhatsApp Business, so my own is going to show under com.whatsapp.w4b. Now you click on it. You see WhatsApp Business, you click on it, and now you see shared, you see stickers, you see thumbs, trash, backup, all of that. You are coming to media. So let's go to media. You see, even the links that you show, that you send to some person, sometimes they are saved on your phone, but you may not know. And most time, that is why some people have storage problem. You send someone the video is on your phone already, but it will still save again as a hidden file. So these are some of the reasons why people have storage issues and they can't just say what exactly is consuming their space. So now you see where the root dot status is now. You click on that. Now, so far so good today. These are the WhatsApp status that I have viewed today. These are the WhatsApp status that I have viewed today, or let me say it in 24 hours time, because it disappears 24 hours. So once it disappears on your friend's status, automatically it will disappear from your phone also. But before it disappeared, if you have viewed it once, next thing you want to do, let's say for example, this is a video that I viewed on someone's status. Very funny video. Okay. So now let's say you want to save this video now, and you have viewed it on your friend's status, and you don't want to tell your friend to share it with you, but you want to have the video on your phone, and you also want to share it on your status. Now what you're going to do is you will click on this. You see that? Click. Don't move it. You see options. We see share, copy, move, delete, and more. Don't move it, just copy. You click on copy. It will ask you where do you want to save the video. Now generally you can just paste it here. Or let's say for example you maybe have a special folder where you save your videos and all of that. The next thing you're going to do is you will paste it here. You see now, you have pasted it here. Then automatically, if you go to WhatsApp now and say you want to post that video, automatically you will have access to it. Do you see that? Do you see the video here now? That is very simple. That is very simple. You don't need to start looking for WhatsApp status saver or stressing yourself on how to do it. Once you view the status, automatically it is stored on your phone already. And I believe you find this helpful. Share it with someone, subscribe to the YouTube channel, and drop a like. Thank you.